Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule reports within GSatTrack. To begin, you want to come over to our main navigation, then click on the Reports button. Next, click on the Scheduled Reports, and then Add New Scheduled Report. The next step is to give our scheduled report a name, choose the type of report that we want to schedule. You'll notice that not all of them are available, but most. You then want to set a frequency by which you will receive this report. Daily, weekly, monthly, or one time immediately. Now, the use case for the one time immediately is if you are going to be looking for large amounts of information and your network information may be bogged down because it's pushed through on the internet and it's just slowing the whole process down. One of the things that you can do is go ahead and set that report to be sent to you immediately. So the system will gather all the information and then send it out to you rather than having to wait for the system to gather all of the large amounts of information that may be compiled. Now, the system is already doing all of that and gathering all that info, but to present it to you visually on the portal, it is kind of taxing if you're looking at a device that's maybe reporting every 12 seconds and you're looking for a year's worth of information. So one of the ways that we can bypass that is to set a one-time report. Now, once you've chosen the frequency, you can then choose the format by which you want to receive this reporting, PDF, Excel, or PDF and Excel. You can choose the runtime when it's going to be received by you. You also can then be secure in the idea that because your preferences are set to a particular time zone, that's what time you're going to receive it. You're not going to have to make any adjustments. Choose your active dates that the report is going to run from. Next, you can choose whether or not you're going to include it on all assets, specific groups of assets, or specific assets for the report. You also have the ability to include exclusions. Then put in the email address that you want to receive it on, or you can go ahead and choose one of your contacts who will receive the report. Once that's done, create scheduled report, and now you'll start receiving this report on a daily or whatever frequency you set basis. Now, this isn't the only way you can get a scheduled report. When you go into any particular report, you also have the ability when you're generating it to go ahead and schedule it there as well. So if you're going ahead and creating an activity report and you want to schedule it going forward, you're able to do it again in this fashion as well. So if I click on the scheduled report button, same thing. It's going to give me all the information that I need. I am, of course, getting an email address error, but that's because I didn't put anything in. But this particular report function is still here, available for use. So that's the way that you go ahead and set scheduled reports. It's found right there in your main navigation under the Reports button, Scheduled Reports. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next episode.